Open this website. It is ongcfoundation.org. Then select this option. It is programs, and in this programs you just select scholarship, right? So it will display scholarship on ONGC merit scholarship, and just click on the find out more. Then it will display this scholarship portal, right? So this is the recent news and announcement, right? And all the details are given here. Okay, and just click on this apply scholarship, right? So the portal will open for submission from 7th of July till 6th August. Hello students, the scholarship is announced by one well-known organization, that is ONGC Foundation, and the site is ongcfoundation.org, and the portal will open for submission from 7th of July till the 6th August. So please visit the portal to apply. Right. So it is for engineering, medical, uh, for MBA, master degree courses, and it is for the general OBC, SC, ST, EWS category students. So apply now in ongcfoundation.org. So I will show you some informations. I will give you some informations about the ONG Foundation's scholarship scheme for 2021. So this scholarship scheme for a general category, EWS category, SC, ST, and OBC students, right? And courses include in the scholarship are for engineering students, for MBBS students, master degree courses, master of business administration, master in the geophysics, and master of geology. And scholarship it is for selected students. If you are selected in this ONGC Foundation scholarship scheme, right, then you will receive a scholarship of 48,000 rupees each on annual basis. Right? It is for all religions, all boards are included, and any marks, right? After that, ONGC Foundation scheme for the EWS category, it is number of beneficiary 500 students, right? After that, ONGC Foundation scholarship for the OBC category, the number of beneficiary are 500 students, and ONGC Foundation scheme for SC/ST category students, the number of beneficiary are 1000, right? So don't miss to apply in this scheme. Okay, the basic qualification, educational qualification, right? So candidates should be a student of first year, right? Now you are in the first year, right? So you just apply this uh, ONGC Foundation scholarship scheme, right? So first year of graduate engineering, or first year of MBBS courses, or first year of master degree courses in geophysics or geology, or MBA students. And this scholarship, it shall be uh, admissible only for the pursuing full-time regular courses by AICTE, MCI, UGC, or Association of Indian Universities, or state educational boards, or state government or central government uh, universities or board. And the scholarship age, right, not more than 30 years of age as on the 1st January 2021 or as per the advertisements details. And some documents are required, right? So you just keep it with you, right? And digital copy as well as hard copy is required, right? So documents are required for the scholarship. First you require the caste certificate, right? Income certificate, residential certificate. After that your 10th standard mark sheet, 12th standard mark sheet, and Aadhaar card, and the bank details of the candidate in the ECS form attached by the bank man attested by the bank manager, right? So that ECS form is available in that site. You just download it and fill the details and attested by your bank manager. Your uh, the bank account is required, right? So if you have bank account in Bank of Baroda, so go to that Bank of Baroda, right? And just attested it with the bank manager, right? So the bank manager's sign is required, right? So, and you can download it ECS form from that site, right? So ONGCfoundation.org, right? And you get this ECS form, right, from that. So you just download it and fill the details and attested by the bank manager. Okay, and last one, it is the PAN card, right? So it is not a compulsory. You can easily fill a form if you don't have a PAN card, right? So don't worry. Okay, after that, the special note related with this on ONGC Foundation Scholarship Scheme for the 2021 is 50% scholarships are reserved for girl students, right? So girls apply this, okay? Then the scholarship zones are given, right? So total number of scholarships are equally distributed in the 5 different zones, right? So the first zone, it is the north zone, right? North side districts. After that zone 2, west zone, west side um, uh, states and districts. After that zone 3, northeast zone, right? Zone 4, east zone, and north 5, south zone. Okay, so this is the one flow chart of the online foundation scholarship scheme, right? ONGC foundation scholarship scheme. First one, it is online apply, right? Start applying tomorrow. Site will open, right? So you apply online. After that just download the ECS form, right, and attested by your bank manager. Fill the details, the basic details are given in that form. You fill it, right, and attested by your bank manager. Okay, after that go to the bank and verify ECS. After that fill the complete form online, then upload the related documents. uh, the different types of documents are required, so you just make a digital copy of that and upload your documents. Okay, after that when you fill complete form, you just download the receipt, right? So one receipt is generated, right, and the form is also generated, so you just keep it with you, right? Take a hard copy. After that verify it in the institute with the principal signature and the seal of that particular institute, right? And then just send it through the post, right? So address is given, right? So you just write address and just send it through the post. Okay, and the most important, right, the portal will be open for submission from 7th of July till the 6th of August 2021, right? So please visit the portal to apply for the scholarship between these dates, right? So don't miss this opportunity, right? Just go to that website and fill a form. Okay, so this is the website name, and also this website is given in the description box, right? So please visit this website, right, and fill all the details. Okay, so best wishes for your scholarship. Thank you.